Hi everyone, Billy here with Trade Winds Travel. Today we are in Flagler Beach, Florida. This is just a little north of Daytona Beach, and we are at high tides at Snack Jack. This place sits right on the ocean. We've been coming here for years. They get hit by hurricanes every now and then, but they always come back. And the food is fantastic here, so let's go in and take a look. High tides at Snack Jack in Flagler Beach is the kind of laid-back, toes in the sand Florida spot that instantly makes you feel like you're on vacation. They're located on A1A just south of Flagler Beach. Sitting right on the beach, it combines breezy beach vibes with the smell of fresh seafood and salty air rolling in off the Atlantic. It's casual, fun, and unpretentious, exactly what you want after a beach walk or a sunny afternoon in Flagler Beach. The outdoor seating and open air feel make it a perfect place to relax, sip a cold drink, and watch the waves while the day drifts by. We've been coming here for years, but what really keeps us coming back is the food. Snack Jack is known for classic coastal favorites done right. Fresh fish sandwiches, shrimp baskets, and easygoing beach food that tastes even better with an ocean view. Portions are generous, service is friendly, and the menu has something for everyone, whether you're craving seafood or just want a simple burger and fries. Today, we were definitely in the mood for shrimp. I ordered the fried shrimp dinner with onion rings, and I've got to say, the fried shrimp here is always outstanding. The breading is very light and crispy, which means you really taste the shrimp, not a heavy coating. And of course, I always get the onion rings. They're light, perfectly fried, and they come out piping hot every single time. Elaine went with the spiced steamed shrimp and slaw, and she loved it. Everything was fresh, flavorful, and cooked just right. Honestly, it was one of those meals where everything hits a spot, and as always, we cleaned our plates. The prices here are very reasonable. Our total bill came to $63 plus tip, and that even included two $6 glasses of wine. One good tip, if you pay with cash, you'll get a discount, so it's worth bringing cash along. Another thing to know before you come, Snack Jack only has valet parking, so make sure you've got a few dollars to tip the parking attendants. They open at 11 a.m. for lunch, and they stay open until the crowd clears out. They're also closed on Wednesdays and Thursdays, so plan around that. If you're anywhere near the Flagler Beach area, you really have to stop by Snack Jack. Great food, great prices, and one of the best views you can ask for. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our restaurant and travel reviews. And if you're planning a trip to Florida or anywhere else, we'd love to help you with your travel plans. Just contact Trade Winds Travel at 336-603-8419 or email us at info@tradewindstravel.com. Thanks for watching and happy travels.